What's up, everybody? Welcome to Let's Play RC. So a couple days ago I was out playing with my 110 Summit and it decided to stop working. So I assumed it was the motor, and then I looked into it. I did some testing, so I thought it was probably the motor. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your 110 Summit motor. Coming up. Okay, so if you guys are new around here, my name's Dylan, and on this channel, me and my dad repair, upgrade, and play with all things RC, plus so much more. So if you're new around here, consider subscribing. Okay, so like I said, I was gonna fix this motor. So the motor is the Titan 775 brushed motor, and the part number is Traxxas 5675, right there. So let's get into this. I need some scissors. Okay, so I'm going to cut the bag open because we want to cut it open. That way, if we need to return it because it doesn't work, then we still have the nice bag and we can just staple it back together. So I am going to now take this motor off. So you need two Allen keys. They both come with the truck. One's a 2.5 and the other one is a 3 millimeter. They're both millimeters. 2.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Okay? So first you want to use your 2.5 millimeter to take off this black screw right here. Right there. And I'll take that off now. Okay, so I almost have this screw off here, and then there we go. Okay, so now you want to take your 3 mil and take this silver screw off right here, and that'll release the motor. Okay, and it should come off with 2 washers, so you guys want to be careful you don't lose those 2. And, okay, it's off now. And then you want to unplug all these plugs, just like that. Then your motor is released after you pull this black piece right here off. It comes right off there. And then you pull this out this way. It's a little stubborn. There we go. So there's the old motor. My antenna plug fell off. So here's the old motor. Old motor. Okay, so now I need to remove the motor mount. So I need a 2.5 hex tool, and I need to take off this screw and this screw. Those 2 screws right there. Down and down. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now that the mount, I pulled all the screws out. So now this part just slides right off nicely. And now I want to take this pinion gear out. So for that, I need a 2 mil hex tool. So I want to take this off right here. Okay, so I don't have to take this grub screw completely out. I just got to take it out until this slides. And then this piece will come up. Put that aside for the new motor. And there's that motor taken apart. So here's the old motor going over here. Now we need to put everything back together with the new motor. So, first I want to put this on, but when you put this on, you want to make sure the gear is on the bottom, and also when you slide it on, you want the grub screw to go right on this flat piece here. See that flat piece right there? You want the grub screw to go right over it. That way when you tighten it, it goes right into that spot. And then, after you slide that in, you want to tighten the grub screw. Actually, now that I thought about it, guys, we should probably take this grub screw out and put some Loctite on it. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put it back in. Okay, so now that there's Loctite on that, I can put it back in. And when you put it in, you want this to be flush with this. You don't want it all the way down. And like I said earlier, make sure that the grub screw is the whole part is where it's flat on the pin. Okay, now that that's nice and tight, it turns very good, and you see how it's flush like that? And there's a little crack at the bottom there. Okay. Now I need the motor mount here. And then I want to put it on. Okay, so now that the mount's on, I can put the motor back on the truck. Okay, so now my pinion goes with my slipper clutch here, and there will be a video right up there showing you guys how to gear mesh. Okay? Okay, so once you're done the meshing, you want to make sure this is really tight, which remember the meshing video will be right up there. So you want to make sure that's really tight, and then you want to grab this piece, this weird shaped black piece, put it under the gear area, and click it in there. Now the motor's fixed, so now I can test and see if it works. Okay, so I got a couple test batteries over here. That's why you guys might have heard dinging over there, because we were charging batteries to test. Okay. There we go. Then I want to turn my remote on. And I want to turn my truck on. All fixed. Now I'm going to get out and play. Watch for that video soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Don't forget to also subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell, and don't forget to leave a like. Until next time, get out and play. See you guys later.